Planning data quality, or PDQ, is a solution built by Trinamix to identify and address the data quality shortcomings that can severely affect the plan output. A typical planning cycle consists of steps such as data creation, data collection, plan run, followed by execution without any explicit step for data cleansing. Such a process is likely to result into incorrect data and unreliable plan, thus requiring a lot of wasted efforts in manual overrides of the plan after the fact. The proactive planning process addresses this issue by introducing a data cleansing step before the plan runs, thus improving the overall efficiency and quality of the results. This data cleansing process is made easy and straightforward with the use of the Trinamix PDQ. In this presentation, we'll demonstrate how a user can use this tool to improve his enterprise data quality. We'll first look at the PDQ dashboard, where we can see the various ways in which planning data quality can be categorized and displayed. PDQ is integrated with Advanced Planning Command Center. Within the APCC, a new menu option will take you to the PDQ dashboard. Planning data quality comprises of several KPIs with configurable boundaries that capture the health of the data through several dashboards and charts. Now, as you navigate to the top of the PDQ dashboard, you'll see the errors in a color-coded fashion. Errors are categorized under demand, master data, planning factors, and supply. Each KPI is also categorized as track, representing timely, reliable, accurate, and complete, thereby forming the matrix in the dashboard. Red, yellow, and green indicate high, medium, and low counts of errors respectively. Red being worse, green being healthier. PDQ has the capability to categorize the items as critical and non-critical, based on some configurable factors such as volume and reserve. The matrix on the top right side covers only critical items, and the matrix on the left covers all the items, both critical and non-critical. The middle of the dashboard displays the top 5 error counts by KPI, item, and organization. Here, you have the option to switch between critical item, non-critical items, and all items. Bottom of the dashboard display errors in graphical manner. The left graph shows trending over a period of time for each of the combinations. You can pick the category and track, and the graph changes accordingly. On the bottom right-hand side, the errors are displayed in a bar graph. There is an option to toggle between critical and non-critical items. Let us now have a look at how we can use PDQ to improve data quality on a continual basis. In KPI analysis, we will look at the typical drill downs that a planner will go through to pinpoint the root cause of the data quality issue. You can click on each cell to get the details of the KPI at the summary level. In this case, the 33 errors for the category of demand and track as untimely compromise of aged demand and pending transactions in the customer order interface. Further clicking on the error count will navigate you to the item org level error details. At this level, there are additional details that will aid the user in taking corrective action. In this example, the order number, required date, and required quantities are the additional attributes. Note that the additional attributes are context sensitive to the KPI. Additional option of drill down is available to provide item details. Press Return to go back to the main dashboard. Zooming into inaccurate master data, which has the highest error count, we find that there are several errors like make items without lead times, buy items without ASL, etc. The next task is to get the details of these errors and involve the MDM and supply chain teams to update the master data. Note the total errors in the KPI. Make items without lead times. There are 64 non-critical items and 9 critical items. Now, for the sake of this demo, we'll fix the critical item errors in this KPI by running a script. After running the script in data cleansing, we will review the KPI execution process that a planner should follow to resolve the issue and verify the result again before running the plan. Let us see how a KPI engine can be run. When we initially generated the error count, we ran the engine by clicking on the Run All button. Now that we have fixed the data in the KPI, we will launch a single KPI by clicking on the Run button. We will now see how this has an impact on the dashboard. Please note that the initial number of 427 has gone down by 9. There are now no critical make items that do not have a lead time. This concludes the demonstration on how Trinamix Planning Data Quality Tool can be utilized to improve the quality of the input data and thereby improving the overall health of the plan. On further information, please contact sales@trinamix.com or visit www.trinamix.com.